Well, Reed, you know, a couple months ago we worked in the burn building. Well, this is where the rubber meets the road. We're going to go into the flashover container today. And with that being said, you know, we had an active fire in there that we extinguished. Well, this is when we learn a phenomenon called flashover, where all contents reach its ignition temperature and the whole room flashes at one time. This is to train on how to eliminate getting caught in that situation because flashovers can kill firefighters in a matter of seconds.
So you know this when you enter the building, the flashover is a danger.
Correct.
Okay, so what do you do?
We have signs that we look for. There's four signs of flashover. One being that there's a working fire.
Okay.
One being that there's thick smoke that is turbulent smoke. It's moving a lot. It's pushing. Another being rollover, where you saw the fire that was above our head. That's considered rollover. Okay, Reed, as we step in here, you'll notice that we have two different chambers in this building. This lower unit here is an observation chamber. The upper unit up there is actually where our fire is being built and stored. So we'll actually have flames from this level all the way up to the ceiling level, come out and across.
Okay, I'm with you. That's all I can say.
Yes.
I'm with you.
Now, if you want to step out, we'll show you a technique that we use on our nozzles. We'll be in cooler temperatures. We'll, you know, roughly ranging between 200 and 400 degrees, and above us is going to be anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 degrees. You do it a few times, and you take your nozzle and you go. You may have to stop again and do it again. You're trying to cool it, delay it, and get out. The goal of the flashover training is actually to recognize the signs and get out.
You stay behind here, I'm going to be with you the entire time. Feel this line? Right here. You feel this line? This line is our ticket out. This is actually a very small fire. Yeah, extremely small fire. But you're going to see how quickly the heat will build and what it'll do, just by strictly heat. I'm just going to stand you up, because this is what we would see when we're crawling in now. Completely different, ain't it? Right. The only thing we can see is the glow. The conditions are changing quite rapidly now. You know, and we'll get buggy in here pretty soon. See how bright? What I want you to do is look above your head, okay? Here it comes. Look, that's all air burning, Reed. Look. Look. Oh yeah, we're low. It ain't gonna get us. Look. Look at that. Holy cow. Close the vent. No, you're fine, Reed. You're fine. You're gonna do just fine. Look above your head, Reed. Look at that. Go. Hit it. Move, 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 move. Close the vent. All right, here we go. Open the vent. And we'll steam it out. You ready? All right, you got the line? Feel the temperature go up? Okay, Reed, what'd you think, bud?
I think, again, we see a lot of science in firefighting, but also, I think the big thing is the general public has no idea what a flashover is, or the intensity of the heat, and how little time you have to react if you think one's coming on.
Right, right,
I mean, those few squirts of water, that's your lifeline.
Yep, it gives you a few seconds.
But very few. And then everybody thinks just pour lots of water on it. Well, when you steamed it out, that temperature went up, I mean, like instant.
Yes, sir.
I mean, it got unbearable in there real quick.
Right, it's the science of firefighting. The more water you put up in the atmosphere, the more water is going to come back to you.